How's it going, guys? Today we have the RZR Turbo here. We're going to be installing this RPM blow-off valve. A very simple process to install. We have our blow-off valve right here. We have the filter that we've already attached. We have this heavier spring on RPM's website. It's supposed to change the pitch of the sound. And we have our cap for the return line to the air filter. We have some additional clamps to attach this guy to the RZR. It's very straightforward. Pretty much all we have to do is pretty much cut these clamps. It's a little hard to see. We've got our stock blow-off valve right here. We have to cut this clamp off right here and the clamp on the other side of it as well. For the other clamp, you can get to it back here. With that being said, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so we got the blow-off valve out, the OEM one.
Oh. Boom mic.
We got a boom mic.
It's a boom mic.
We already have that new blow-off valve installed right in there. We decided to actually make the hose shorter, so that way we didn't have a hose dangling. All we have to do is to install this vacuum hose, and they do provide some zip ties. Alright, now we got everything installed. We're gonna go ahead and test it out. Alright, so it wasn't as loud as we thought it was, so we went ahead and replaced the spring with a different spring that it came with, and it's a lot better. Listen to this. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and rip in the desert, so see you in a bit. Alright guys, we made it out here at Ocotillo Wells. We have the RZR right here with the brand new blow-off valve. We're gonna hear some cool sounds right now. As you guys heard, there was definitely a difference and it sounded pretty cool. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.